And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
Well, a much colder day than we had yesterday, and temperatures actually topping out colder than average. Your average high, about 5 degrees from where we are right now, 33 in Providence. We have 31 in Smithfield. We're down to 32 in Newport, and we have 33 for New Bedford and Westerly as well. But that's not what it feels like. We have a light wind that's averaging about 10 miles per hour, and that is making it feel like the 20s in most communities. If you do have evening plans, these are the temperatures to dress for, if not colder, because, of course, as the temperatures drop and the winds maintain a little bit, it will feel colder. Satellite radar doesn't have a whole lot going on, and I guess that's really the whole point. We have this dome of high pressure that's in charge, and that's giving us our beautiful sky that we have in place. We'll keep skies mainly clear overnight tonight and bring on the sunshine as we go through tomorrow as well. So here's how things go after the midnight hour. Temperatures will be chilly north and west of the city. You'll likely bottom out in the teens, but for Providence, we should see a low of 22, slightly warmer temps along the coast. We'll just roll in a couple of clouds, but by the time we get to like 7, 8, when the sun comes up, you should see it. It'll be there. So high pressure takes us from now through the overnight. Again, mainly clear skies. There's your couple of early morning clouds, and then we get to Friday. This line of clouds and also snow showers, if you look over Connecticut, this is the placement of the Arctic front for Friday at 3:30 in the morning. It's coming through Friday morning, and when it passes, it will drop temperatures through the course of the day. Not only that, it will be accompanied by an increasingly gusty wind. Winds will begin to max out once we hit Friday afternoon at about, say, 1 o'clock. And we're looking at wind gusts around 37 miles per hour possible in Providence. Our wind direction's coming in from the northwest, too, for the duration of this, just funneling aggressively cold air right from the heart of Canada. So we're going to be bringing in frigid air, that polar air that will be sitting over not only southern New England, but through a good portion of the northeast. So it's really not about just the cold, which will make an impact on its own. It has to do with the wind chills we're expecting in here as well. So Friday, 6 a.m., this is just as that front goes through. We're going to feel like the 20s. Temperatures will be in the 20s. But as the winds pick up and the temperatures drop, by the time we get to 7 p.m., we're going to have double-digit sub-zero wind chills in place as we hit the late commute time. And then it just gets colder from there, and the winds stay aggressive through the overnight, leading to wind chills to start the day on Saturday morning at 30 degrees below zero for Providence, and even colder in a few coastal areas. So we are expecting, out by the Cape, we are expecting wind chills to improve by Saturday afternoon, but we're still expecting them to remain sub-zero right through the remainder of the day. And it's not until we get to Sunday where we start to see things improve. We do have a wind chill watch that has been issued in this lovely shade of blue. It starts Friday at 4 a.m., so Thursday night, overnight into Friday, and will last through 1 p.m. on Saturday. For that time frame, we have the potential of seeing extreme wind chills that could be dangerous. When you have wind chills as cold as 30 degrees below zero, you can get frostbite in as quickly as 30 minutes. Now, once we get to Sunday, we will find lows start around 10 with wind chills of about 13 below, with the winds expected in place at that time. But we will warm up. A warm front coming through will finish the day with temperatures topping out near 40. So for tonight, mainly clear. Winds will be out of the northwest at 5 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, we're looking at mostly sunny and milder temperatures back up into the lower 40s. We go, and we'll bring in air from the southwest at around 20 miles per hour. Here's our extended forecast. Tomorrow's Groundhog Day, by the way. Personally, it is my favorite day of the year. So once we get by Groundhog Day, that's when we bring in the cold with that polar front moving through Friday pre-dawn and then dropping those temperatures through the day. So that 25-degree high is what we're going to see first thing in the morning. Once we get to Saturday morning, that's our coldest. If we hit that 4 degrees below zero that we're expecting, that will break a very long-standing record low of -2 from 1918. So it's going to be a brief cool down, but it's going to make quite an impact across southern New England. John?
It will. All right. Thank you, Kelly.